My full name given at birth is William Joseph Molony Jr. I was born February 23, 1945. From that information, you know there must have been a William Joseph Molony Sr., and that he was my father. But we never had the pleasure of meeting each other. My father was killed in action exactly 2 weeks after my birth. Though my mother and I dreamed all our lives of visiting my father's grave, we were never been able to make that trip a reality. My father was killed in action March 9, 1945, the day after crossing the border between the countries of Luxembourg and Germany. His tank was hit by enemy fire. He was part of General George Patton's Third Army. They had already freed the soldiers trapped by Nazi forces at Bastogne as part of the Battle of the Bulge. My father received his first injury there, and spent several weeks, during that snowy Christmas, in a field hospital. Due to the first injury, he was assigned to a tank. As a result of this, as the dearest of keepsakes, I have 2 Purple Hearts, one each for his injury and death, and a flag that was flown over his grave. He was buried at the Luxembourg American Cemetery, the same place his commander George Patton was also buried. What follows are detailed views of the Luxembourg American Cemetery, including up-close views of the graves of both Patton and my father. The music you hear includes my own arrangement of the accompaniment. However, the trumpeter is from a YouTube file, entitled simply, Echo Taps. This gorgeous rendition of both trumpet parts was performed by Patrick Gleason, U.S. Navy.